Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to reduce joint pain and inflammation naturally. If you've been suffering from achy joints and swelling, you've come to the right place. We'll be sharing some fantastic tips and tricks to help you find relief and get back to enjoying life to the fullest. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the root causes of joint pain and inflammation. Our joints are complex structures made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and fluids. When inflammation occurs, it's usually a result of the body's immune response, aiming to protect damaged tissues or fight off infections. However, chronic inflammation can lead to persistent joint pain and discomfort. So, let's learn how to address this naturally. One of the most effective ways to reduce joint pain and inflammation is by making dietary changes. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your daily meals can work wonders. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables like berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. These are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that can help combat inflammation. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, which contain omega-3 fatty acids renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Also, spices like turmeric and ginger are excellent additions to your diet, as they have natural anti-inflammatory effects. Now let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for joint health, but it's crucial to choose the right activities. Low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, and yoga are great choices as they put minimal stress on the joints while improving flexibility and strength. Additionally, incorporating strength training exercises can help stabilize the joints and support overall joint health. Remember, start slowly and listen to your body to avoid overexertion or injury. Did you know that excess weight can put extra strain on your joints, leading to increased pain and inflammation? Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for joint health. By adopting a balanced diet and regular exercise routine, you can shed those extra pounds and reduce the burden on your joints. Your knees and hips will thank you. For immediate relief from joint pain and inflammation, hot and cold therapy can be highly beneficial. Applying a warm compress or taking a warm bath can help soothe aching joints and improve blood circulation. On the other hand, cold therapy, such as ice packs or cold gel packs, can help reduce swelling and numb the area. Alternate between hot and cold therapy to find what works best for you. There are various natural supplements available that can aid in reducing joint pain and inflammation. Some popular options include glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM, which are known to support joint health. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acid supplements, such as fish oil or flaxseed oil, can provide anti-inflammatory benefits. However, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, as they can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs. Believe it or not, stress can have a significant impact on our overall health, including joint pain and inflammation. High levels of stress can trigger inflammation responses in the body, exacerbating joint discomfort. Incorporating stress management techniques into your daily routine can work wonders. Try activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Finding time to relax and unwind can not only reduce stress, but also alleviate joint pain. Getting enough rest is crucial for joint health and overall well-being. When we sleep, our bodies have a chance to repair and regenerate, including our joints. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and create a comfortable sleep environment to ensure restful nights. If joint pain keeps you awake, try using pillows or supports to alleviate pressure on the affected areas. In addition to incorporating anti-inflammatory foods, it's equally important to avoid trigger foods that can contribute to joint pain and inflammation. Foods high in refined sugars, trans fats, and processed ingredients can promote inflammation in the body. Stay away from sugary beverages, fried foods, and processed snacks. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods to support your joint health. Last but not least, always listen to your body. Each person is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Pay attention to how your joints respond to different activities, foods, and treatments. If something exacerbates your pain or discomfort, adjust accordingly. Consult with healthcare professionals or a specialist in joint health to get personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to reduce joint pain and inflammation naturally. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards healthier joints and a more comfortable life. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient and give your body the time it needs to heal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.